Again, my name is Peter Cox. I'm a former chair of Trustees of CARAD and currently a trustee, and I've been a volunteer since the organisation started, which is in the mid-90s.
CARAD basically acts as a creative hub. We've always set out to help to grow a culturally vibrant and resilient community here, including supporting other community initiatives and organisations. And through our activities, we nurture and showcase the area's really rich social and cultural heritage. And at the same time, we celebrate our rural area and its natural history.
What kind of things do you need to be able to do to be a trustee? And my main thing is just like bring a sense of humour to start with. So it might be that you end up helping to welcome the public into events or into the exhibitions or venue events and shows that we do. Or it might be that you make something and you become part of a team that helps to put an exhibition together. But the main thing is that you would be part of a group of people who work really positively with each other, learn from each other, help each other to do things, and generally have quite a nice friendship kind of time along the way.
We were really delighted to get on board with the Social Value Fund initiative for a whole range of reasons. One key reason is that it's giving us the chance to expand our online presence. That then in turn will increase digital participation in our activities. So that's something which is crucial to our community in these socially distanced times. And a key aim for that activity is to improve the well-being of isolated rural participants using online workshops delivered via social media.